January the 8th, the World Economic Forum gave out its the future of work report, and this highlights the trend of the necessary skills that will be essential in the next, say, 5 to 10 years. And while most of us will be surprised to hear about the kinds of skills and that are required in the job market in the next 5 to 10 years, it's important for us to embrace that while technical skills and hard skills are essential, the job market is shifting and the trend is changing. The hard skills are no longer essential the way they used to be 5 to 10 years ago, but the trend is slowly changing, and companies, employers, and organizations are slowly moving into the world of soft skills. So I came up with 6 essential skills, of course, according to the World Economic Forum and the Future of the Jobs report, together with other necessary skills or essential skills that are necessary for you to look at. So if you are in your 20s, your 30s, even your 40s, these skills will set you much ahead in your next 5 to 10 years. So I've highlighted them I have 6 skills, I've got 6 skills. So I've highlighted them from number 6 up to the first one. And skill number 6 is teamwork and collaboration. As I've said, these are not hard skills, but soft skills. So employers are looking for people who can build relationships. Organizations are looking for people who have got empathy, people who have got humility, people who have got trust, and who have the ability to create and grow teams effectively. This is because job marketplace and all other and the employment spaces and the job market, it's all about relationships. It's all about being able to nurture a team and work collaboratively. That's why we have HR, for example. So the ability to work as a team, the ability to make a team grow and work cohesively is one of the very essential skills that you can learn today, and it will be very essential for you tomorrow. Actually, in the World Economic Forum, it's well mentioned that teamwork, collaboration, and leadership is one of the skills that will be most sought out in the next 5 to 10 years. So wherever you are, this is an opportunity for you to start learning about teamwork, collaboration, and leadership. Skill number 5 is creativity. Now, creativity is the ability to be innovative, the ability to be a problem solver, and the ability to generate new ideas and think creatively without the box. You see, they say think outside the box, but I like saying think without the box. This involves finding unique solutions to challenges and to problems. This applies in different markets, whether in marketing, whether in product design, whether in AI development, whether in skills like communication. You realize that creativity is one of the well sought after skill, because the moment you are creative, it means that you can find solutions to any problem that you come across. And when you are a problem solver, you are a piece of gold in any organization or company. And while there are no courses on creativity, like it's very difficult for you to teach someone creativity, the thing that you can do to practice creativity on your own. Read widely, read extensively, practice journaling, brainstorm ideas regularly, and try something new each and every day. This can be by learning or just trying it out physically. Skill number 4, we go down, is not problem solving is under creativity, is copywriting. Copywriting is very powerful. It's a skill that enables individuals to craft compelling narratives and persuasive messages. It's actually the ability to sell using words. And everyone is selling. Everyone is selling. Every company, every organization is always selling. So if you position yourself on the path in such a way that you can use your words to sell creatively, you can use your words to compel someone to do something, then you have captured their heart, you have captured them by the neck, and you therefore stand at a very good position to be employed by that company or to offer your services to that particular organization. Watch videos by Tyson Forde and read the book known as Cash Advertising for you to learn more about this. Skill number 3 is public speaking stroke communication. And anytime I talk about this, I like referring to one of my mentors, one of the people that I watch and follow, this Vusi Tembekwayo, the global speaker. So people fear speaking, not just in front of the camera, but also in front of the people. So when you learn to speak, you've placed yourself ahead of others, ahead of over 97% of people who can't speak, who fear public speaking or communication. And why is this skill particularly important? Because Tim Ferriss says that reality is negotiable. A very good quote. Now, the moment you realize that reality is negotiable, then you realize that anything that you have known in your life, now or before, is actually negotiable. And what do you use to negotiate? You use communication. When you communicate well, you need you have the ability to negotiate reality, and that's very powerful. If you want to learn communication well, I always recommend Vinh Giang, this Vietnamese speaker on YouTube. He has got classes and he has got videos that will help you to communicate well and to learn the art of communication and public speaking. Skill number 2 on the list is the ability to sell. Skill of selling. So they say that if you can sell, if you have the ability to sell, then you can never sleep hungry. Why? Because selling is a critical skill and it involves understanding customer needs. It involves understanding the psychology of the buyer or the psychology of the person that you are selling to. It helps you as a salesperson to understand the customer needs. It helps you to build rapport and provide solutions that meet the needs of the buyer. So when you become proficient in sales and selling, you can drive revenue growth for companies, for organization. You can foster good customer loyalty, and you can excel in other roles that require skills like negotiation and relationship building. Books to read: Psychology of Selling by Brian Tracy, and channels to watch, YouTube videos to watch, still Brian Tracy videos and Andy Elliott. Skill number 1, we have saved the best for last, is AI and the ability to use AI. The good thing is that can ask AI to teach you how to use AI. Now, when Bitcoin came out in 2013, no one knew or no one imagined that it will be so valuable 5, 6, 7, 10 years down the line. And if you look at the trend at which AI is growing, this is one of the game changers of the current generation. With the growth in technology, AI is one of the most valuable, most sought out skill in the next 5 years. Just watch this space. And why is this critical? Why is this essential? Because almost all the fields, almost all the industries are now adopting AI. Look at the education sector, for example, it's adopting AI. Look at the health and medicine sector, it's adopting AI. Look at the production, manufacturing industries, they are adopting AI. So no single industry. Look at the construction, they are adopting AI. Right now, we have got smart houses, we have got smart homes. So basically, each and every industry is adopting AI. And this is why AI is going to be a game changer in the next 5 or to 10 years. So and as I mentioned earlier, you don't need an expensive course to learn about AI. AI will teach you how to use AI. So pick a niche, pick education field, for instance, pick the health sector, for instance, and be very perfect. An hour a day will keep competition away when you learn these skills. So pick a sector and be so perfect in that particular field. And in the next 5, 10 years, you'll be the one sought after voice in that particular field. So those are the skills. Take an initiative and start learning any of those skills today. And I can assure you that you'll be unrecognizable in the next 5 to 10 years. The good thing is that even if you don't learn it, the 10 years will come and will pass and you'll still be at the same place. But if you learn them, you'll be amongst the 1% of the people who will be much sought after in that particular skill that you learn. So until next time, I'll see you in my next video, and thank you for watching.